Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. Today I want to show you how to install the Pinlock insert on your LS2 Thunder shield. First thing you want to do, let's go ahead and remove that shield. So open all the way to the top, pull down on the levers to release the base plates, like so. Just pull down and out like that. And then I like to grab a nice microfiber cloth, something to rest my shield on when I do this. That way I'm not going to add any scratches to that shield. So pull that Pinlock insert from the box and open it up. And this Pinlock insert is actually going to have a little bit of a plastic cover on there. So on my first install, I like to just kind of pull that back to the side just a little bit. Gives me something to grab when I do open that up. So to install this, we're just going to open up this shield a little bit, and this shield's got a lot of flex to it, so don't be worried if you're afraid you're gonna break something. You've got a lot of flex here, so it's going to give you enough room to get everything installed. So from there, we go ahead and line up the slot with the pin on the inside of the shield, like so, and make sure you've got it installed the right way up. The Pinlock writing will be on the bottom side of that shield. So once I've got that slot lined up with the pin, I kind of hold that in like so. And from there, I just bend this Pinlock insert ever so slightly and line it up with the pin here, and it will literally snap into place. And then I just double check, make sure everything's lined up. And now I can go ahead and pull that cling, and that Pinlock insert is ready to be reinstalled back onto the helmet. So super easy. Again, don't be afraid about flexing that shield. Just let it snap into place and double check that everything is sealed up. There's no gaps along that silicone bead. So we are ready to ride. Easy enough.